This is a quick video to help you get acquainted with our Writer's Workshop front page in Canvas. Let's take a look at our button options that we have. This will keep us organized throughout the school year. The first button is our syllabus button. Here, you can access a list of all of the projects that we'll be working through in Writer's Workshop this 9-week period. Word of the week. Every Monday, you'll get a new vocabulary word with a definition. In Word of the Week, you'll have a graphic organizer where you will complete a task with that vocab word every day. On Friday, you'll turn in the graphic organizer. For example, Monday, it might ask you to illustrate the definition of the word. Next up is supportive resources. This is where I will list references that you can use while working on your different writing projects. For example, when we do modernizing Robert Frost poetry, in supportive resources, I might post a link for Rhyme Zone, a helpful tool that helps you find rhyming words. The Enrichment tab is for anyone who wants an extra challenge. In the Enrichment tab, I'll add extra assignments that dig deeper into the content and on a more rigorous level. For example, during Robert Frost, I might create an assignment that teaches you about transcendentalism. If you complete Enrichment, you can earn battle points for your class periods in language arts. These are the daily playlists. This is where you'll find your daily lessons and activities, instructions, and resources. Based on when I see you in person and when you're working virtually, your playlist will look different. Make sure you're choosing remote learners if you're only working from at home. If I see you Monday, Tuesday, you're student group A. And if I see you Thursday, Friday, then you are student group B. This is the Zoom button. You can use this to join our Zoom meetings on Wednesdays. You can also use this button to sign up for a virtual one-on-one conference with me during office hours. Office hours are Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday from 3:05 to 3:20, and Wednesday anytime after 12 by appointment.